This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a Dodge Avenger, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from that vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the engine air filter. Reach over here in the engine bay. There are 4 8mm bolts you need to loosen. Be mindful of the hose that's still attached to the housing. You can lift the housing up and remove the air filter. Next, here's how to access the fog light. Turn the wheel to get better access. Remove 3 8mm bolts from the wheel well lining, then pry the lining away from the vehicle. Reach in for the bulb assembly. Here it is. Turn the bulb assembly counterclockwise and pull it out. You can remove the bulb, pry back the tabs, and pull the bulb straight out. And finally, here's how to reach the reverse light. Open the trunk to begin. Reach in behind the housing. Pry back this fastener and pull back the trunk lining. There are 2 wing nuts to remove. Twist them to remove them. Then, you can pry the bulb housing away from the vehicle. Pull it out. Here's your bulb assembly. Turn it and pull it out. You can now remove the bulb. Pull it straight out to remove it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more repair videos. And for even more repair videos and more in-depth repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.